大家好, hello everyone, this is Jay from bulbtekled. Here are a pair of second-hand headlight kit for the imported Tesla Model S 2015 years version. Why we have them here? Because one of our foreign dealer encountered an issue. One of his customers broke the driver's DRL kit when they installed the LED projector lens for the Tesla Model S. So the dealer asked us to looking for the original DRL light kit of the original Tesla Model S 2015 version in China because it's hard to find out in his country. Finally, we found a pair of partially damaged kit. The front cover is already open. As you can see, the headlight part already be taken away. So back to the DRL lighting kit, the turning light kit and the control PCB board are still here. That's all what we need. Right now, we're going to test out the lighting function works well or not. Then we will take off the DRL lighting and the turning lighting parts, what our customer need. Okay, here we go. Firstly, we take off the parts of the set driver's headlight. Remove the front cover. As you can see, it's already taken off before we got it. It's good for us because actually it's not easy to remove the front cover. If you have did this job before, this glue gel is very solid. It's very hard to remove. You have to put this headlight kit in heat oven, heating the glue gel inside. Then you use the special tools to take off the glue gel little by little. And the special cooling liquid is always needed during these procedures. This front cover is already removed. As you can see, there's nothing. The original headlight part was already taken by someone. I suppose it was taken for replacement by the insurance company. Well, let's see the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, totally 6 screws. We use this screw wrench and this tool to screw off. Before we take off these DRL and turning lights, we need to test the lighting function is good or not. Me and my colleague Alex will test the lighting function with this power supply. Alex, please. As we can see, there are no wire cable at all. Only the plug and play pin socket here. There are 7 pins. We don't have the connection instructions here, so we have to test one by one the negative, positive for different functions. Let's do it. Now we take the first pin as negative. Turn on the power supply. It's lighting up. This is the DRL, day running light. It's lighting well. Another pin. Actually, I switched the positive connector to another pin. The DRL is also lighting up, but it's not as bright as the first pin. So I suppose there are high light and low light for the DRL. Now the question is, when the DRL light has high beam and low beam separately, you know, right?
No, maybe at night it will be brighter.
In daytime, it's low light. In the night light, it will be highlight.
I suppose, yes.
How the car detects it's daytime or nighttime?
Maybe it is controlled by the car computer.
There is a clock function in the control box.
Maybe it's a sensor in the car or out of the car or other magic in the car.
Magic. Okay. But there are many situations in the daytime, like if we drive the car in a tunnel or in a very dark road or the weather is very dark, but as you said, the DRL still lights in the low beam.
Yeah.
So it's not good enough. It should be switched to the high beam, right?
Yeah.
In the dark situation, even in the daytime.
So I think maybe there is a sensor.
Sensor. Actually, I suppose the DRL high beam mode will start when the engine started. When the driver turns on the headlight, the DRL light will turn into the low beam.
Okay.
Because the DRL function is let the other drivers and the people on the road to see your car. But when you switch on the headlight, it's very bright. So the DRL function is not very important, so the lighting can be dimmed down. That's what I thought.
Okay.
Anyway, the DRL has a high beam and a low beam mode. So this is a low beam, as you can see. This is a high beam function. Low beam. High beam. Okay, another pin. This pin is for the turning. See, the color is amber. It's definitely for turning light. We need to check if all the LED chips lighting well. Check the DRL LED chips one by one. Okay, so then we can take off the part for our customer. Take off this part carefully. Be careful, the wire cable is still connected. The third part disconnected. The last piece is the turning light. Connected off 4 pieces. Finally, we will take this board off 2 screws. The plastic part, let's start the screw. See, it's already broken. That's why we stuck the screw. It was sticked by the glue gel. Must be very careful. Okay. It's taken off. Not many were connected. Okay. 3 kits of wire cable connected. The last one. That's all the part our customer need, right?
Yeah.
Alex, you know what it is?
It's a part of the projector lens bracket.
Yeah, I agree. I think so. This is the original plastic or PC materials special bracket for this car. It's a bracket for the original projector lens. Alex, you know what it is?
Yeah, it's parallel projector lens.
Yeah, it's magic.
Okay.
We just want to test this bracket, check if the screw hole of this bracket is okay for the holes of the projector lens bracket. The hose position didn't match, so I think our customer need transfer bracket. See, the hose on the bracket didn't match the hose on the projector lens, so the customer need a transfer bracket for installing the projector lens. The central control board is made by this giant international company with some very famous for many components. This short one is for turning,
Yeah.
and the color is amber. It's also with tone. There's the logo, 9 pieces LED chips. The other 3 pieces are the DRL lighting. You see the difference? The turning light only has a PCB board with LED chips on the back, but the other 3 pieces DRL lighting with the metal frame. The PCB is a soft PCB, it's not hard PCB because the shape is like stairs. The turning light PCB is a hard PCB, it's a flat shape, but the DRL is not a flat shape. That's a different. So let's do the other piece. Alex, we finally did our job successfully. So what we got, 2 pieces center control box. The set 2 pieces is what light?
Is DRL? Oh no, the side light is the turning light.
Yes, it's turning light. What's the color?
Amber.
Yeah, amber color. So the 2 pieces are turning light. These 3 pieces and the other 3 pieces for what? DRL lighting.
Yes.
The lighting color is
White,
and it has high beam mode and low beam mode.
Yes.
We need to pack them very well, especially for the PCB board, and ship it out to our customer. Okay, we're just looking forward to the good news from our customers after they successfully replace the damaged parts in Trevor's Tesla Model S in another country.
Yes.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.